Our partnership with OntargIT began in 2013, when, driven by the growth of our business, we felt the need to improve sales efficiency and streamline our customer service. The initial task was to implement a system of control over the entire sales process and systematize work with clients. We turned to the European Bank for Reconstruction and Development for help. They had a program called Support and Development of Small and Medium-Sized Enterprises, under which we were offered several companies that had been pre-qualified by the EBRD and could provide us with the services we needed. OntargIT was among them. I believe that the choice is always based on confidence in people, and the OntargIT team was able to win our hearts with their professionalism, energy, and dedication. We made the right choice. Microsoft Dynamics 365 implementation made it possible to automate the sales process management. The project included reorganization and streamlining of internal business processes, responsibilities distribution, and companies' day-to-day operations management. It allowed us to more precisely organize work with clients and identify weaknesses in the sales system, which ultimately increased the efficiency of the company's operational and strategic management. We are also developing a roadmap for the implementation of a corporate system that will include compliance with the new legislation to cover all business processes of the main office and later other branches of the company in one ERP system. I believe this will provide more opportunities to control material and financial flows online, ensuring better interaction with other departments. Additionally, OntargIT provides our company with technical support for the implemented solution and is simultaneously planning an ERP system implementation project.